Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 26 of our series. So, today I wanted to look at a particular subject which interests kids, and especially because now, even more than before, we are hearing them around us birds. And I wanted to offer some materials both for older middle school and senior school children, and also preschool and primary school children. So I'd like to start with this one. This is actually a lesson plan about birds of prey. And this is offered by sciencenetlinks.com. Information regards to how to carry out the lesson. Information so that as you can also share this with students. And then you have a sheet, a student activity sheet, which you can give them here. And because we are working remotely, this is actually an interesting sheet that will allow your students to research a little bit about the different birds of prey and find out, for example, about their wingspan. How do they nest? How do they migrate? What they do eat? And so on and so forth. So that was kind of for the older students. For the younger students, on educatetool.com, there are some very interesting ideas and activities related to migratory birds. So there are things that you can actually print and share, but there's also a lot of content and ideas for activities that you can carry out together with them. Some of them even create an ideal appearance because they are building together, maybe, and is also educational. But in fact, today, as a sort of do-it-yourself activity, I wanted to suggest this one. Creating bird feeders from things that we have in our homes. So at the moment, they're having, a whale of a time because there's less traffic, less noise, hopefully less people trying to kill them. But we can actually get them closer to us if we have a garden, if we have a roof, by building them bird feeders. And especially maybe now, don't have that many places. Before, many birds like were around restaurants in order to eat. Now the restaurants are closed. So it would be a nice thing for us to try this for them. And I'll just show you a couple that are made from really things we have at home. Like this one is made from popsicle sticks. This one, which actually is also good for water, is made by a bowl and a plate, as you see. But I think my favorite one is the one which decided the items, which looks really cool because you are using really things which maybe we're going to throw away. But instead, you make this cool bird feeder. So that's for today. Keep up the good spirits, and as always, send us an email on info@trainingmalta.com. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.